With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
What property of pyrex glass makes it suitable for cooking? So we can say here the heat resistant quality to bear up to 425 degree Fahrenheit. So the heat resistance quality of the pyrex glass to bear up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit makes the pyrex products, let's say, ideal for the use in the kitchen, especially for cooking or baking purposes. Pyrex glass breaks into smooth pattern known as dicing and shatters down into small cubical pieces, whereas simple glass can break into hazardous sharp edged long pieces. So instead of normal glass, we use here pyrex glass owing to two properties. One is the heat resistant property and other here is our that it breaks into smooth patterns known as dicing, which makes it less hazardous than normal glass. Hence this is our answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.